festival as we go to every year, and it's great, and we're gonna get some snacks and buy some things, and it'll be cool, and it's crowded, and I'm about to step on people, so Alright, back to work. I am tired. Yeah, even yesterday, walking around Little Tokyo, I was kind of hungover, so just tired. I bought a good business money charm from the little pop-up shrine, and then I kind of psyched myself out from doing the little prayer. I was just really anxious all of a sudden, so I was like, you know what? I don't feel like I should go into that with those vibes, so I didn't. But I did get a little charm to help me out for the new year. We'll see how it goes. Coco, what do you need? What do you want? What do you want? Love? Is that what you want? You want love? Coco. Coco. What's happening?
Well, we're having a minor technical issue, which is just compounded because Luis isn't here, and he is our tech guy. So I'm staring at a computer that's not working, pretending like everything's fine. Yay. Everything's fine.
Waiting to do the podcast.
It's my fault.
Actually, it is. It is super Spencer's fault.
I was talking to new people.
Yeah, I was waiting. I was like, he'll figure it out. He'll figure out how late it is.
I know. But there's new people here, and I had to have a conversation with them.
I know.
Not in a bad, like in a good way.
As in, like, hi, welcome to school.
Like what's your life?
You know what it is? You're the student rep at the high school when there's a new student. So you had to make sure are you guys having a good day on your first day?
How's everything going? Here's because
we should be recording this proper. This is the thing. This is the show.
Yeah, sort of.
What is it? Student president? I've been watching too much anime. There's class presidents and stuff.
All right, we're almost ready to go. I have GarageBand pulled up. I have this. I have that.
Luis, where are you? Time for pole class again. I'm excited. First class of the year. Pole dancing is the best, you guys. It truly is. It hurts so much, but I love it. I love it. It's great. Everyone should do it. If you haven't decided on a New Year's resolution yet, go take a pole dancing class. See if you like it. Oh man, I am exhausted. I should go to sleep, but I have a lot of work to do. And I also just got this guy in the mail. This is a birthday present to myself. Isn't she lovely? What is it, you may ask? It is a tiny, tiny washing machine. Look at it. It's little. It's a little washing machine. I'm a grown-up now. I have a tiny washing machine in my apartment because I'm tired of paying to do laundry for a bunch of loads and I need to do it frequently because I have gym clothes and they're gross and I need to rewash things often. So instead of hand washing them every time and all this stuff, I just needed a more efficient way and also to save money. So voila, I need to figure out how to use it. Well, no, I know how to use it. I just have to figure out how exactly to set it up. I saw a picture on Amazon that made me go, I think that's probably what I'm gonna do. It's gonna look awkward, but it's fine because it'll work and it'll be great and I will be saving money. See, it's not even that heavy. Step stool and put it here. I think when I do my laundry, it's gonna go right up here. Up here is because there's a drainage situation that needs to happen. So when it's draining, it will go right into the sink. Great, 1, 2, 3. That's why I'm elevating it. I've seen a lot of Amazon reviews that put it in the bathtub too, but something about that makes me nervous. Honestly, the only problem with putting it this high up is that filling it from here is a pain in the ass. So I'm just gonna have to actually buy a bucket. I haven't bought a bucket yet, so I'm just gonna use a pan and fill it up and then manually just fill this guy up with water. Okay, washer is filled up about, I wanna say not even half, a little like under halfway, which I think is fine. About to put in some detergent. You don't even need that much detergent because it's such a little load, you know? Like, that's fine. All right, close in. It's to like the brink. I think that was just the right amount. Honestly, I think I could probably fill this up to the top and really put in a full load. This is just my gym clothes for a week so far. And there's definitely enough room to keep filling it up and maybe add like three more shirts, I want to say, which is pretty good. This is pretty great. Like that. And then set the wash. Apparently everyone online says you don't have to do it for too long. So I'm gonna do like about a 8-minute wash. Ooh, there it goes. Look at it. Holy shit. That's awesome. That's strong as fuck. This is great because it's using less water than a washing machine. So I'm actually saving the landlord money too because I don't pay for water. And it's just, I'm saving money. I'm so stoked. I could do cold washes. I could do washes with bleach. I could separate the colors. I could do everything. And it won't cost me extra because I could just do little loads. I'm so excited. Now I'm supposed to go from close it, then I want it to drain into the sink, so I turn it to drain. And look at that. Okay, so I did a rinse cycle as well. I was gonna show you that because it's the same thing. It's just, you know, no soap. And then there's a tiny little spin cycle here, which is so cool. And then I have to hang it up because I don't have a dryer, but that's fine. That's fine. I'll let it air dry. Ugh. Okay, so you put the stuff in there and make sure it's balanced. And then put that lid on top, then you put this lid down, and then you close it because you can't be there, and then you do a spin timer. You keep it on drain so that it drains. Look how quiet that is. Oh my gosh. That's fantastic. Hell yeah. All right, spin's done. That was super quick. And it's really spun out. Like, it's not dripping wet or anything. It just needs to like air dry. It's fine. This is great. It's Friday night and also the time of year where there's a ridiculous amount of birthday parties every weekend. So going to one now and then maybe a show afterward. I'm not sure, but we shall see. Alright, that was fast and fun. And now I'm going to the Cracked show. Well, it's not really cracked, it's broked. It's all the former Cracked folks. They're doing a show tonight, kind of for closure. I have a feeling, well, no, I know for a fact, I'm not going to be able to record because they're not going to record it. It's just the end, and it is what it is, and that's great, and I understand. Also, I assume it's because, like, there's severance situations and blah, 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 illegal situations. So, no recording. It just is what it is, and I'm excited to go because it's like actual closure for like a fun place to work for. And unlike SourceFed, at least we had like a couple weeks to like properly end things out, even though that was really sad. The people at Cracked didn't really get that chance to kind of say goodbye through the site. So yeah, this is gonna be special. It's Saturday, yay! I am exhausted. That broked show went on until like real late at night. But it's okay. I'm going to baby shower now for my friend Joelle. I'm excited. It should be fun. I haven't been to a baby shower in forever. Honestly, I think this might be my first baby shower as an adult going to one. So I'm stoked and it'll be cute. Yeah. It's Sunday, soccer season is back. I haven't played in like a month. I'm nervous, but hopefully it'll be good. It'll be fun. The weather is fantastic right now. LA winters are choice. Yeah, so gonna go do that. Hopefully we win. Go Bees! Okay, it wasn't like a bad loss. It's 0-1, and I honestly think it's because we were like kind of half asleep in the very first couple minutes. Like we were just like adjusting, and the other team took advantage of that, which fair enough. But it was still a really good game otherwise. I felt really good to be back on the field running around, which is weird, and at least it's weird for me. I always get surprised when I enjoy like being exhausted. So yeah, but yeah. If I'm not up to anything else this evening, then I'll see you guys next week.